Attic insulation removal. While there are many reasons why attic insulation removal is important, one of the most common ones is to remove zonolite insulation, which is known to contain asbestos or contaminated vermiculite. Sometimes, removing roof insulation is necessary to properly treat a mold problem. And other times, the insulation is just old, worn out and needs to be replaced. The Mold Busters team uses high-powered industrial vacuums in combination with HEPA filters for attic insulation removal. After several rounds of HEPA vacuuming, your attic is left completely clean and ready for whatever you have planned next. Zonolite insulation and asbestos. The biggest danger with trying to remove attic insulation yourself is that you could be inadvertently exposing yourself to asbestos. This is especially true if you live in a home that was built before the 1980s, when asbestos use in insulation was quite common. Asbestos fibers are extremely fine, become airborne easily when disturbed, and linger in the air for hours. Inhalation of these fibers is extremely hazardous to human health, leading to mesothelioma, scarring of the lungs, lung cancer and even death. Attic insulation and mold. Mold in the attic is often the result of roof leaks, condensation, high humidity and other forms of moisture intrusion. The result of these moisture problems is that wooden beams and joists, drywall and roof insulation become wet, providing the perfect breeding ground for mold. Attic mold problems often go unnoticed because most people don't spend a significant amount of time in their attics. The problem with this is that a lot of air in your home comes through your attic. So, if there is mold in your attic, it can negatively affect the air quality in the rest of your house by spreading through your HVAC system. To get rid of attic mold, you need to remove all wet or water-damaged materials, including old attic insulation. To prevent contaminating other areas of your home, this job must be left to experts. Contact Mold Busters today to see how we can help with your roof insulation removal. Call us at 1-877-566-6653.